Today we are going to be reading The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there was a sad and lonely duckling. He was the ugliest duckling on the pond. He was big. The other ducklings were small. He was gray. The other ducklings were brown. "What a strange-looking duckling," laughed the other farm animals. "Go away, ugly duckling," they cried. They chased him far away. The ugly duckling hid in a reed bank by a river. He hid in the reeds all through the summer and all through the autumn. One day, the ugly duckling saw beautiful large white birds flying in the sky. "I wish I could be like them," he thought. Then I would fly away." But he didn't fly away. He hid in the reeds all through the cold winter, always by himself. In spring, the ugly duckling swam through the reeds into the river. 3 beautiful large white birds came flying towards him. He tried to hide so that they wouldn't laugh at him. But it was too late. They had seen him. "Why are you all by yourself?" they asked. "I was hiding because I'm so ugly," he replied. "But you're not ugly. You're as beautiful as we are. Look," they cried. He looked at himself in the river and saw not an ugly duckling, but a beautiful white swan. "I'm a swan," he whispered. "I'm not an ugly duckling anymore." "Why don't you come and join us?" said the beautiful swans. Then 4 beautiful swans rose up in the air and flew away together. The end. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!